Hello everyone and welcome to another video. If you've just come here, like I've said before in other videos, just to get this job done because you need to get it done. The time where all that starts is around about here. So go to that time and that's when the fun begins basically. But if you like spending time with me, we're having this one-to-one interaction like I always enjoy, then even though you are a camera to me, not really, more than a camera to me. Then just stick with me for a little bit as I update you on what's going on. I'm actually recording this now from my house, which isn't usually a surprise if you've been watching on previous videos, but the surprise is that it is 20 past 3 on a Monday, which is a time when a lot of people are at work, which is when I should be at work, to be honest. But as you know, with all the coronavirus stuff kicking off, some people with symptoms have had to go into isolation. Now, Francesca she's got at least 2 or 3 of these symptoms at the minute. I'll go into more detail about it in another video on what I'm going to be doing over the next couple of weeks, but I will be off for 2 weeks now, as I am in the household with somebody who has symptoms of coronavirus. That's just how it is. You need to keep each other safe and all that. So yeah, I'm not going too much into it now. Don't panic, everybody's fine, we're fine, she's fine. Then yeah, let's just jump into this video then, shall we? Okay, so these are the ones that I've ordered off eBay. I didn't go like properly out my way to try and find some amazing ones. There are some nicer ones, but these were like 15-20 quid. And they look like they're going to do the job. If they don't do the job, we'll find out sooner or later. But it's just by a company called RMC. Yeah, we'll see how they fare. It's not very powerful, this gun.
Has that done it or not?
Yeah, it's done it.
Oh, is it?
Why are you so shit? It's fine on other car. Oh, I can smell it. It's burning.
No, I think you can smell mine.
And mine.
How's yours burning off?
Yeah. A little bit. I knew that this video was just going to be loads of me starting a job and you're coming in and finishing it. That's all it's going to be. Not long enough on it.
No, you don't get any light.
Right, so this is the part that we're going to be changing. Basically, this is your drop link here. That's going to connect to your anti-roll bar. That connects that to the bottom of your shaft, just there. So this is the piece that we're going to be replacing. I'll show you quickly like the noise it's kind of making when I'm swinging on it. That's noise it's making. So I've got a 17mm socket to try and get these off. I have seen or read that these are pretty much a pain to get off because they're going to be that corroded. So we might have to use some WD-40 or something like that to ease them off. But let's see how we fare. Let's get a little douse. I might put it in bottom one for now anyway, just whilst I'm doing top one. I mean, this ain't going to work.
Yeah.
And I'm pushing straight up, so I'm going to get knuckles full of... It worked.
Yeah. Did it actually go?
I might have just slipped.
I think you probably just slipped.
I think the socket's too big.
Oh, you definitely.
Oh no, it's going.
That's it.
Wow.
How many breath?
My little finger is now non-functional for the rest of my life.
My little pony.
Right, when we broke that off and nearly broke my little finger, Jesus Christ, absolutely caned. It was just spinning and spinning. Like if I show you this, look, you can see that socket there. It's just spinning and spinning. There's a point in the middle where you can fit a 5 Allen in there, and then you've got your 17mm ratchet or spanner or whatever you want to use, and then you can pop that in there like so, and then when they move together. So all I need to do is hold this front one in place whilst doing the back one, and then the nut will just slide down the thread, and then that's that. I'm surprised how easily that broke, to be honest. So it's kind of a blessing in disguise that it spins first, because it's easier to break, and then you can start trying to move it down the thread. That's definitely coming off now. Let me just move this frigging camera out of the way. I'm like working around the tripod. I've got to add a massive shout out to Harry and Mike, because it was their idea, it weren't my idea at all. I want to know how to sort this out. I'd have literally had a little Allen key just stuck in there and holding it like the strength as much as I can, and that's it. But so there you go.
Just call it 40 quid, pal.
40 quid. Right, we're having to resort to another strategy because it's completely rounded out.
Right, you ready?
Grip in the back.
Nope. Spinning. Tighter.
You got the wrong way?
No. We just don't got it tight enough.
Alright.
This is me against machine here.
Whoa. Look at that. Mate.
Ta-da!
Well done. Thank you.
Welcome.
One down.
Go on, Andy, wiggle me drop link again. Woo! Right. So that explains why it handles like a boat pretty much. I know it's not like on Type R suspension setup or anything like that, but it's very unresponsive. So that should help towards that, I think. Right, so we adopted the same strategy for the bottom one as well. These are the two side by side, like comparing them to each other. If you look like play-wise, these are the new ones. Like with my thumb, that's the most I can do. There isn't really any play in it at all. Looking at the original one, that's the amount of play that's in there, and that's same on both ends as well. They're both like absolutely trashed. What are y'all laughing about now?
Oh no.
Oh right, okay.
No, not about your Honda rubbish.
We'll have it
Wow.
at it.
At it,
That's it.
just not with me. So, cheers. So yeah, we just gotta impact the other ones straight back on, and then just tighten them up, and that's that. And that should be jobs are good then.
What are you doing, pal?
Need a longer extension, mate, so I can get it.
Put them both together.
I'll put you both together, carry on. I'm joking.
Alright then.
You and all your help. Right, so that's a new one on. Hopefully that will tighten everything up a little bit more. We're going to do the other side, which I'm not going to film because why do you need to see the other side being done? But yeah, pop the other one on, lower it down, and hopefully I can let you know how it is to drive. I haven't put any kind of like anti-seize or anything on this, more specifically because there is like a threading, I forgot what it's called, inside the nut itself. So you can see there's like a blue outline. So that should be okay. But yeah, we'll do the other side and let you know how it goes. Right then, so they're all in, done and dusted. I will say it's been about a week or so since that was done. So I can confirm that the handling is a lot more responsive. I won't say it's like it's got good handling. It's not bad handling, but it's just a spongy 5-door. That's all it is. Even though 8th gen it does have crashy ride, which you can't really get away from. But before it was like you turn the wheels and the body like had to think about it, and we're like, oh yeah, I've got to go with them. I've got to go with that chassis. You know what I mean? And then it goes. And now there's a bit more urgency to the car actually going the way that you turn the steering wheel, so that's good. One of the track rod ends is absolutely mashed, like all the lubricants out of it, the rubber boots wrecked. That's another thing that we noticed. I do have the part for that, but obviously in isolation there's limits to what I can do at the minute, and that part and a lot of my tools are actually stuck at work. So I do have a lot more hand tools in the shed, so we'll see what we can do. But yeah, successful job, and thank you to Harry and Mike for helping me out with that job and getting it all done and dusted. If you did enjoy this video, or if you found it useful at all, please like and subscribe to the channel and click the little bell button so it reminds you when a fresh video does come on with any other like car related content. There might be more videos more frequently lately because obviously I've got 2 weeks to kill and I want to be productive, so yeah, let's see what we can do. Thanks again for watching guys, keep safe, wash your hands, keep your distance, stay at home, and like I always say, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.